The summer heat changes your skin in ways you may not even realize. More sweat, more oil, more sun exposure, more inflammation. And if you feel like your skin is suddenly doing its own thing the minute the temperature rises, you are not imagining it. Keep watching. In the next few minutes, we will help you understand what actually happens to your skin in summer, why breakouts, pigmentation, and dehydration seem to appear out of nowhere, and how to keep your skin calm, strong, and glowing through every heat wave. Together, we will get your summer skin strategy right. At Skin Renewal, we combine doctor-led care, cutting-edge technology, and a holistic approach to deliver personalized solutions that truly transform your skin. Just what you need right now. When temperatures rise, your skin goes into defense mode. Heat increases oil production, sweat builds up on the surface, and pores trap debris. This is why many people experience clogged pores and breakouts in summer. Humidity can make the skin feel sticky, and sunscreen and makeup can mix with sweat, creating congestion. At the same time, heat weakens the barrier, leading to dehydration and sensitivity, even if your skin looks shiny. Your skin can be oily and dehydrated at the same time. In fact, that is incredibly common. Sun exposure is the #1 accelerator of premature aging. UV light triggers pigmentation, inflammation, and structural changes in the skin. Melanin is incredible, but it is not armor. Whether your skin burns, tans, or deepens in tone, UV damage does not discriminate. Darker complexions can still experience pigmentation flare-ups, uneven tone, and textural change. SPF daily is non-negotiable. Antioxidants like vitamin C reinforce protection and help brighten and even the complexion. And professional support, such as laser genesis or a doctor-guided pigmentation plan, helps keep pigment pathways calm and controlled. Summer skin success begins with protection. If your pores feel like they are holding on for dear life in summer, you are not alone. Sweat mixes with oil and sunscreen, blocking pores. Bacteria thrive in warm, humid conditions. Your summer checklist should include double cleanse at night, choose lighter hydration, use gentle exfoliation, never harsh scrubbing. Keep your barrier intact to avoid rebound oil. Azelaic acid and gentle chemical exfoliants help keep pores clear and inflammation down. A medical facial or azelaic treatment can reset the skin beautifully. Heat, UV, pool chlorine, air conditioning. All of these pull moisture from the skin, sometimes without you noticing it. You may feel tightness, sensitivity, or dullness even if your skin looks shiny. That is dehydration. Barrier-strengthening ingredients like ceramides, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants help your skin stay supple, calm, and resilient. Summer skin should feel strong, not stressed. Healthy summer skin is not only topical. Hydration, antioxidants, omegas, and collagen all contribute to barrier integrity and glowing skin. This is a time to strengthen, not only correct. Supplements like collagen, resveratrol, and targeted support created with cellular health in mind help protect against oxidative stress from heat, sun, and late nights. We think skin from every angle. That is how you future-proof your glow. To keep your skin balanced all summer, focus on 3 pillars. Number 1, hydrate. Number 2, protect. And number 3, calm. Double cleanse at night, exfoliate gently a few times a week, hydrate with lightweight moisturizers, support your barrier, and wear broad-spectrum SPF daily. Combine this with professional support for best results. Your skin adapts. So should your routine. When you understand your skin, you can work with it, not against it. For personalized guidance, our doctors and therapists are here to help you build your perfect summer plan. Experience the skin renewal difference today.